let's say if you actually knew you could have a golden goose that laid golden eggs, or that's a thing, right? This is the way to think about a business, is you want that golden goose. The golden goose is your asset, and the eggs are the income that asset produces. So once you have your golden goose, it lays eggs. It can't help it. That's what it does over and over and over again. And so those golden eggs are your income stream. If you think about your business as an investor, and you want assets because those assets pay you over and over and over again, an asset that creates recurring income. And that's the golden goose that pays you the golden eggs. And then eventually at some point, when that golden goose gets fat enough and it's laying golden eggs all day, every day, and you're just kind of like, oh, I'm just sort of done being a farmer, you can sell that golden goose, and you can sell that golden goose for a multiplier because you are the one who has raised that golden goose. You've fed that golden goose. That you're the one who got that golden goose to lay all those eggs. You've created the income stream. You can sell the income stream. So that's the exit if you choose to do that. Or keep the golden goose forever and just, you've built an income stream, you've got the eggs, and great. If we're thinking about business from the perspective of an investor mindset, that is how to build a business. Now, what most people do is they will look for eggs. So when you have a business that's a service-based business where you are selling your time for money in some kind of way, when you get a client, you deliver it, you start over at zero every single time. Here's my service. Thank you for the payment. Okay, I got to go find another client. Find a client, give the service, take the money, got to go find another client. You're starting over from zero every single day or every single month or every single client, whatever it is, however your business is set up. So that is the equivalent of like, you could have a golden goose, but instead what you're doing is running around town being like, oh, I'll fix your roof for you in exchange for an egg for breakfast. And then it's like, great, you got your egg, you ate, and now it's lunch and you're hungry again. And now you got to go deliver a service again, find somebody else with a roof that needs to be fixed and get that egg. And that's basically how most people are running their business, is literally, I do a service, I get to pay my bills or whatever, and I start over from scratch. So what I see a lot of people do too is they understand it. They know about passive income or whatever. I'm gonna get my golden goose. And then they just kind of give up too quick. They're just like, this goose isn't laying eggs yet. It's not making money yet. It's not there. And so they're like, I'm really hungry. And they kill their golden goose and they eat it for dinner. So don't kill your golden goose. Don't kill your golden goose. Maybe you need to learn to give it the proper food or whatever. Make sure your goose is happy so that your goose can start creating the eggs. But don't give up. Don't kill your goose. And also stop running around trading your life force energy for an egg. If you want to shift, and this is what we talk about in the expansionist shift, it's really, first it's a shift in perspective, and then we'll talk about how that lays out. There's 5 leverage points in every single business, and when you nail those 5, it's like, that's how you shift from chasing eggs to having a golden goose that produces eggs for you. So that's what it's all about, is you need your golden goose.